Hi, this is Jensen Earth Science, and today we will do an overview of latitude and longitude. So what is latitude and what is longitude? Together, it is a grid system that we use to find coordinates on Earth. It is how the navigation in your car gets you to where you are going to. Latitudinal lines are lines going across Earth running west and east, but measuring north and south. Latitude starts at the equator with an angle of 0 degrees. Latitude ends at the North Pole at 90 degrees north and at the South Pole at 90 degrees south. Note that latitude lines are running parallel, meaning that they will never touch. Longitudinal lines are lines going across Earth running north and south, but measuring east and west. Longitudinal lines start at 0 degrees at the prime meridian, which runs through Greenwich, England. Longitudinal lines end at the international date line at 180 degrees, the exact opposite of 0 degrees. Longitudinal lines can be 1 degree west to 180 degrees west, or 1 degree east to 180 degrees east. Notice though that 180 degrees east and 180 degrees west is actually the same longitudinal line. Longitudinal lines will eventually meet at the North Pole and at the South Pole. So how do we measure specific latitude and longitude? We use them together to find out where the two lines will cross. We will use Earth Science Reference Table page 5 as an example. Notice this page is New York, so all the latitude will be north of the equator and all the longitude will be west of the prime meridian. So I'm going to add all of my longitudinal lines. Now I'll add all of my latitudinal lines. If I'm looking for 43 degrees north and 75 degrees west, my location will be here, where those two lines cross. If I'm looking for 42 degrees north and 78 degrees west, my location will be here, where those two lines cross. But now, what if my location is in between those lines? What do you do then? In between every degree of latitude and longitude, there are 60 minutes, or 1 hour. The dashes in between each degree represent 30 minutes of that hour. So I'm going to add my original latitude and longitude lines again to the same map. Now I'll add my halfway points in between 42 degrees north and 43 degrees north. My halfway point in between 43 and 44 degrees north. My halfway line in between 44 and 45 degrees north. This will be 42 degrees and 30 minutes north. This one will be 43 degrees and 30 minutes north. My last one will be 44 degrees and 30 minutes north. Now I'll add my halfway points for longitudinal lines. This one will be 73 degrees and 30 minutes west, and this one will be 74 degrees and 30 minutes west. If my location is 44 degrees and 30 minutes north and 73 degrees and 30 minutes west, my location is here. If my location is 43 degrees and 30 minutes north and 74 degrees and 30 minutes west, my answer would be here. I hope this was helpful. Please check out the playlists I've made on this topic as well. Have a great day.